Okay, we're finally out here starting with the trucks, and I've started out here in the area reserved to the Kansas Wheatstate chapter, and as always we see it. Todd brought his 47 Dodge, and Wayne's 59 GMC down the line. And we got Mondo's 33 Dodge down on the end. It's a really neat truck. This area is also Wheatstate. As we progress through the show, I'm going to try to catch interviews with some of the owners, both from our chapter and all the visitors here this week. And I have a few as a prequel. If you look on the photo album page and follow that down nearly to the bottom to the link for the 2008 Newton Truck Show, I got interviews with several of Wheatstate chapter members posted from that show. Alright, moving down another row of Wheatstate chapter trucks. There's Lenny's Sightliner, which you can hear him talk about if you follow the link to the Newton show on the photo album page. Follow along just to give you an idea of the scope of the trucks that are here this week. And this is all still just the Wheatstate chapter section. Can't show you mine because it's home with a locked up engine. Alright, here we go, still in the Wheatstate area, a couple Peterbilts. This one was owned by R.C. Willite. We did an interview with him at the Newton show. CJ5, Lenny of course always brings a lot of trucks. This is something you might not have seen before. It's a side dump bed on a Studebaker. And here's a 46 Chevrolet from Hutch. I have a fondness for these because I've one of the trucks I learned to drive on is 46 like this. We still have it on the farm. '57 Chevy half-ton. Pulling. Now this is a cute little truck. In fact, this is the background picture from the website, so you'll probably recognize this truck already. This is about like a 1950 U.S. mail van Dodge. And this is interesting because this is, instead of being built on one of the step van chassis that they had at the time. If you look, this is actually pretty much based on a pickup. In fact, the driver's position is back there towards the door, way behind the windshield. And you sort of have like a large cover in there, and cab over section for the engine on top of it. This is just a really neat little truck. I have a 52 half-ton myself. Didn't have a chance to get running again and bring to the show today. And walking back around the Wheatstate section some more. There's some trucks here I haven't even seen. Looks like we have a pretty nice little military contingent here. We'll take a look at later. Diamond T pickup. See many of those. They were a little more expensive than your Dodges and Fords and Chevys. I'm a Dodge guy myself, so I have a certain fondness for the old power wagons. Oh, Justin Fields has been working on this cab in his body shop for one of the members, I would assume, go on this GMC. Kind of see what's involved in one of these complete restorations, how far they tear them down.